Presenting a vaccination card will get members of the public free access to a number of museums across the Western Cape this Heritage Month. So the province has already kicked off Heritage Month celebrations. Free access will be provided to fully and partially vaccinated persons. Anroux Marais is the MEC of Cultural Affairs and Sport in the Western Cape. A very good evening to you, ma'am. Thanks for joining us on the programme. So I understand this is for fully and partially vaccinated persons. This kind of a way to encourage more people to vaccinate?
Yes, good evening, everyone. It is because we kick off with Heritage Month as well as Tourism Month. We've made an announcement that you can have free access to our affiliated museums when you're presenting your vaccination card, both fully or partially vaccinated. It's all to encourage our citizens to vaccinate. And it's very important for our sector to open up with spectators, and we need vaccination very urgently. So, but if you're not vaccinated, you can still visit the museum, but it's not for free.
All right. Unfortunately, some of them would say, vaccine hesitancy, though, MEC, is still quite a challenge. I know that there are a number of initiatives, including the Jabs Before Joel campaign, which you have. What other initiatives are in place, and has this helped with a vaccine hesitancy?
What we also did is that we encourage our sporting people, like the football club in the city of Cape Town. They came through on Friday to be vaccinated, and then also the boxing fraternity is coming forward. And then we also have the Athlone Stadium, that's a drive-through initiative. So you sit in your car, or you can cycle, and you just sit on your bike or in the car, and then you get vaccinated.
So if we look at the figures currently in the Western Cape, do we have, I think the last I checked, it was about 2 million people who had been vaccinated. Where do we stand currently?
I'm not sure what is the percentage that we vaccinated now, but we're happy that we will get all our people vaccinated, hopefully before the end of September.
And how many of these museums are expected to be visited by those who have interest in that? I know that there are quite a number that are spread across the province.
Yeah, it's all our affiliated museums. It's almost 15 of them, and it's from Mossel Bay until Leiplek in Veldrift. It's almost all our museums that's affiliated to our department.
So just for Heritage Day, or am I going to start popping out more money the following month, or is that how it's going to work?
Excuse, I didn't hear your question.
Yes, I'm saying, is this strictly for the celebrations for Heritage Day, or do we find ourselves, whether you're vaccinated or not, having to pay again after all of that?
No, it's only for the September month, that's
all
Heritage Month, and also as Tourism Month.
Anroux Marais, thank you very much indeed for your time. She's the MEC of Cultural Affairs and Sport in the Western Cape. Thanks indeed for joining us on the programme. So those who are partially vaccinated or fully vaccinated, you'll be able to get free access to those museums across the Western Cape.